Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yonon. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button over there. And today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix right click not working on your Windows 10 or 11. So recently many users are having trouble on Windows 11 where they are not able to make a right click and even the left click also is not working. So how we can fix it? Because I am also having the same trouble and I will fix it in front of you. So you can see I am making a right click but nothing is happening. It's not working. So let's quickly jump that how we can fix this problem with a very easy simple steps. So on your Windows computer, go to the Windows search menu and type here Raise Edit. Now click on OK or hit the enter button. Now on the suggestion, click on Raise Edit and then click on OK. After that, this kind of window you will see, and here you need to double click on Hey Classic Root, and then you will see the couple of list which is quite legendary, but you click anywhere and then click on D because we need to look for directory. So just scroll down and keep looking for directory. Once you have find it, just double click on directory, then on the background and then on shell X, and after that context menu handlers. So now you will see a few files like igfxu or igfxdcm. So if you see any file like that is related igfx, you need to delete them. But here in my case it is not showing because recently my problem was solved, but in your case you will see here igfx related files. So you just need to right click on those files and choose to delete. So once you are done, simply close this box and now press Windows and R key together and type here text mgr, or you can also use the shortcut key that is Ctrl Shift and Escape. Now in the text manager you need to look for Windows Explorer, and here you will find Windows Explorer. So keep scrolling down, it will be bottom on the list. Once you find this, just click on it and then click on restart, or you can also just restart your computer. Now once you are done, let me go back and see whatever it's working or not. So I hope this will also fix your problem because it was helpful for me. So I hope it also fix your problem. Don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.